Yeah, this is just a very quick demonstration of how easy it is to install an application. This application specifically, TeamViewer on Linux Mint. I've downloaded it already and I've opened the directory, open containing folder, and here it is. And so I'm going to right click on this. I'm going to open with gdebi. And it goes over here, package installer. Let's see if it's okay. Broken dependencies. The application cannot continue until this is fixed. Fix the running so sudo apt get install f in a terminal window. Okay, so gdebi doesn't like this. So let's see if I can open in terminal. And yeah, I have to figure out how to install for deb. I've never installed a deb before. I've always done it through the command line. So let's do sudo apt get, and it's not going to work, install teamviewer7. This is not going to work. Maybe it will. Yeah, unable to locate TeamViewer. Okay, well, that was proof of concept. Mint doesn't like TeamViewer. Thanks for watching.